Good day, everyone. Today I will going to demo what is the proper way of retrieving a data loss or corruption. So first, go to your file manager, then document. Uh, Choose any document you want to retrieve. For example, this one. So show more option and then restore previews. So you see there's no more previews available. So next is let's go to the command prompt. Search command prompt. So enter the DISM space slash online online space dash clean up dash image image space slash restore help. Ay, restore help. That's all. Thank you.